people really have to give themselves credit for what they're doing. And if they're really focused, but they're hard on themselves, they'll end up always feeling disappointed in themselves. Like, I think people need to really harness that strength inside to find, okay, how am I going to stay happy? I think that's like the most important question everybody has to ask themselves. And if they could do it by doing a 100-hour job and finding that place of happiness after they do their job, then that's good for them, right? It's not for everybody. Right?
Yeah, people should be optimizing for happiness, not money. I think that's really important.
Optimize for happiness, not money, and also just realize it's not that serious. Another piece of advice is like don't think that you're a hero. Like, at the end of the day, like, be your hero by staying in a soup kitchen and helping feed poor people.